Hey everybody, we're going to look right now at personalrealestateinvestormag.com. Now, I've been very impressed with this publication. This publication is really geared towards an across-the-board breadth and depth of real estate investing knowledge. And I can't stress enough how many junk courses are out there in the marketplace, how much junk information is out there in the marketplace. One of the things I tell everyone I get in contact with that knows that we invest in real estate is that right now you need to be working or a system that works in today's 2009, late 2009, almost 2010 marketplace. Because this marketplace, as a real estate investor, as a personal real estate investor, this marketplace is different than the marketplace was for a personal real estate investor even 6 months ago, even 9 months ago, even a year ago. It's a different market. What worked 6, 9, 12 months ago may not and probably doesn't work the same now, because of all the different government regulations affecting the banks, and these banks affecting how they're going to distribute the house and how they're going to finalize houses in foreclosure or short sales or rapid flips after the investor gets involved. Those laws are changing on a daily basis, almost, it seems like. And this resource, this knowledge resource, personalrealestateinvestormagazine.com, personalrealestateinvestormag.com, but the whole title for the publication, as you see here on the screen, is Personal Real Estate Investor Magazine, but online it's personalrealestateinvestormag.com. This publication is put out by Andrew Waite. Now, Andrew's right here on the video on the front page on the left. You can watch that. This is what I've been impressed with this publication, with this online resource and offline resource. You see here, right here in the middle of the page, this publication, Personal Real Estate Investor Magazine, the full publication, is sold at all Barnes & Nobles, all Borders, and even selected airports across the nation, and many, many newsstands across the nation as well. This publication has a lot of leg, a lot of breadth, a lot of depth. And it's something that I tell everyone I speak with whenever I find a resource that becomes invaluable to how I approach my real estate investing. I try and share it with as many real estate investors as I can, because you know what? We're all in this together. I believe, and I've said this for the last year and a half since the market began tanking, we are going to help the economy get back on track. Do you realize that over 25 to 28% of every house sold in America every year is to a real estate investor? Over a quarter of the houses sold in our country are to investors. So I think that number is going to actually go up here with this coming year, because real estate investors that understand the marketplace, that get it, that have the breadth and have the depth to adapt and improvise, especially in this kind of a marketplace, they become the investors that, number one, make money, that, number two, increase their equity and their long-term value in their own portfolio of the equity they have, and number three, they become the go-to people for the homeowners and for the commercial property owners that need help in whatever situation they're in financially with their property. And listen, this Personal Real Estate Investor Mag.com, this Personal Real Estate Investor Magazine, the online version we're looking at right here on the screen, you can get lost in this publication in a good way. There are so many clicks to the next information base. You've got events there's an event coming up soon. What's covered in this issue, you can shop and get some back issues or order supplements, go to the catalog, listen to interviews. Okay, there's hot articles, talks about Andrew himself and also other countries they're in. There's a blog. You have market data that goes back to May of 2008, which shows you year over year sales and housing availability. Press room over here, some videos. You can, if you're really wanting to become a student of the game in real estate investing, or if you already are an investor and you just need to stay on top of the cutting edge techniques and methods, this publication becomes something that is invaluable to you as a real estate investor. So get on over to personalrealestateinvestormag.com, personalrealestateinvestormag.com. Highly recommended. This online or the offline version, you can never get enough knowledge when you want to be exceptional at anything you're doing, and this is one of those times. This is one of those times where this magazine, this online and offline version, will keep you abreast of the changes, keep you abreast of the needs of the marketplace and of your needs as an investor, and give you cutting edge techniques to help you survive and thrive this real estate market that we as investors are going to help lead this nation out of. So again, highly recommended, personalrealestateinvestormag.com. Get on over to it, get lost in a good way in all the information that you can glean from this publication. It's a monthly publication, and there's nothing better that I've seen in the marketplace right now that gives you real techniques, real methods that work, is not a get-rich-quick based mindset. It's a value-based investor for real estate investors, and it's phenomenal, if I do say so myself. personalrealestateinvestormag.com. personalrealestateinvestormag.com. Get on over to it and enjoy.